I'm packing sinks and we'll go to Tulamben for 2 dives. And we're doing an advanced course. So for the plan today is navigation and a night dive. And the Liberty Rack is definitely the best place to do it. Why? Just because it's so unusual. First of all, it's a rack, which giving some kind of romantic of all this thing. The night dives by itself actually are really romantic, to be honest. It's like there is that special feeling. It's like, I don't know, when you were a kid, do you still remember going out during the night time? It's like a little bit scary, but at the same time, when you get to know about that, then it's super comfortable actually. So that's why I'm packing the sinks. We will jump in a car, and then I will go to the Liberty Rack. First of all, we will do on our right side, we will do the coral garden, and I will do the navigation there because it's deep enough to do it, and it's kind of also interesting and pretty useful to do it there, so that people learn how to navigate in some dive site. And then after that we will do the surface interval and then the night dive at the Liberty Rack. See you later. think it's already late. It's about 9 o'clock. Once again, what I would like to say is that night dives is something special for me. I never say no, almost never say no to the night dives. If I am really tired, then of course I say no. But if there is a possibility to dive with the students and to see these emotions from them, it's about the same emotions when you see the people diving for the first time. To deliver you that message about the night dives, and that's probably the best way, is to give you one story from one of the courses I did with one of my students. So really intelligent guy, and he never swears, never ever. And then we went on a night dive and it was full of fishes. There was all these groupers and bumhead parrotfish and that moray eel, which is like a kind of resident of the Liberty wreck. We swam around the wreck a couple of times and then we surface, and the first thing what the guy said when he took the regulator out of his mouth was, "Fuck, Martin, that was incredible." And I was so surprised. "Hey, you swearing?" And he said, "Yeah, sorry, I didn't find any other words to describe how good was the dive." So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.